I have no words for this. This is just amazing.
They wanna know about Islam, we'll give them da'wah. They wanna know what a Muslim does, we'll give them da'wah.
Amazing.
When they wanna hate on our deen, we'll give them da'wah. Who's the one and only? Nobody but Allah. Let me break it down right now for you. Da'wah is a call to you. It's an invitation to change your life, calling you to see the truth. Back in the day I was living a lie, I was lost deep inside. Then I got another chance with my life, I was guided back to Islam. They wanna know about Islam, we'll give them da'wah. They wanna know what a Muslim does, we'll give them da'wah. When they wanna hate on our deen, we'll give them da'wah. Who's the one and only? Nobody but Allah. What is the benefit of hanging in the streets, acting bad like you wanna run the scene? You're getting nothing from that empty life you lead. Come to Islam, you find your inner peace. No champagne, we don't rave. We're on the real hype, we just pray. When Akis link up, we'll be drinking Zamzam minty, talking about our deen and having our fun. See, these rappers don't wanna run out of bars, but we don't wanna run out of Iman. They wanna know about Islam, we'll give them da'wah. They wanna know what a Muslim does, we'll give them da'wah. When they wanna hate on our deen, we'll give them da'wah. Who's the one and only? Nobody but Allah.
They call me Muslim Bilal, I guess that makes me a terrorist. But when them bullets went power, I was guiding youth like a therapist. Now they go around dropping them bombs, tell them not in my name. They wanna run around killing daughters and sons, tell them not in my name. If this world was